Good afternoon. I am Major Trail Davidson, principal of Mountainside College for the past 10 years. This noble and reputable institution began its operation in 1960. We currently have 5,750 students enrolled, with over 100 teachers, over 50 administrative staff, and 30 teaching departments. Due to the population size of Mountainside College, we have been experiencing challenges with maintaining efficiency across the departments. It is taking a long time to get information from one department to the next, and this is creating a lot of delays in completing tasks. We are seeking a system that can eliminate these delays and allow departments to work more effectively. As a result, today we have two IT professionals from CERTA Incorporated who will guide us through ERP systems, which was highly recommended. Allow me to give both the ladies the opportunity to introduce themselves.
Good afternoon, Mrs. Davidson. I am Mrs. Ray Youngarai. I have been working at CERTA Incorporated for 15 years in the IT department.
A pleasant afternoon, and thank you for the invite, Mrs. Davis. I am Trudy Ann Rowe Golding, one of the IT professionals employed to CERTA Corporation for the past 13 years.
Thank you very much for joining us today. To open our discussion, could you briefly explain ERP systems and tell us the functions of an ERP system?
Certainly, ERP is an acronym for Enterprise Resource Planning. This is a software that combines all functions into one complete system across the organization. It increases efficiency, it promotes collaboration, increases data security, it helps you comply with industry regulations, it allows you to make accurate forecasts, increases operational flexibility, and reduces operational cost. If you turn your attention to the monitor on the wall, you will see all different areas of functions where EPR is beneficial. Access control, finance and accounting, human resources, entrepreneurship, project management, and CRM.
That was a thorough explanation, and I see where the functions of ERP can assist Mountainside College. Mrs. Golding, explain to me how ERP is different from traditional systems such as TPS, MIS, and DSS.
Take a close look on the slide showing. This shows how traditional software operate. Different software is responsible for various functional areas, and I believe this is one of the reasons that led to the inefficiencies you outlined earlier. With these systems, it takes a longer time for information to reach from one department to the next. With the new development of ERP, companies do not have to suffer from these delays because of traditional systems. ERP system is an integrated, centralized system. It is different from the traditional systems because the software unites all departments together. All databases are now available into one system. This is cost effective, more reliable, and more efficient.
This sounds great. Sounds perfect for Mountainside College. Could you now identify some of the benefits a school such as Mountainside College could reap from investing in an ERP system?
A search conducted by Panorama Consulting Solutions in 2018 shows, as depicted, that 64% of the companies that adopt an ERP system did it to improve the business performance. Mrs. Davidson, we know that your main aim is to have a system that works effectively. So let me enlighten you on the many benefits that an ERP system here. Firstly, an education ERP system provides easy and quick access to information that is urgently needed. This helps to analyze various aspects of the institution faster. The system simplifies the usually long, complicated admission process. An ERP system, Mrs. Davidson, releases the dreary manual task of fee collection as it automates fee payments. And oh, Mrs. Davidson, cost effectiveness, security, and data management could not be better with an education ERP system. In the interest of time, we have a handout showing the different benefits of ERP system that you could pursue at your convenience.
Wow, very interesting indeed. Let's get into the intricacies of what should be of concern from the point of selecting to implementing a new ERP system.
Excellent question, Madam Principal. Your selection to implement the process is of utmost importance. And when selecting a new ERP system, considerations must be given to the organization's goals and objectives. The quality of the documentation, as well as the functionality of the software, are equally important. In acquiring this new ERP system at Mountainside, Mrs. Davidson, you must ensure you have a competent team and one you can trust to manage and maintain this new system. It must be clear as to who will support it when needs and processes change.
Mrs. Golden, we have a very competent and reliable staff here at Mountainside who are ready to take on the task of ERP systems. So let me ask Mrs. Garay, I'm sure, I hope I'm correct. What are some of the critical factors of success of an ERP system implementation? And outline to me some of the steps required to ensure these successes.
Mrs. Davison, let me walk you through some of these critical factors for the startup. 1. Project startup. 2. Management commitment. 3. Project scope. 4. Project team. 5. Change management, communication, and training. 6. The customization and modification. 7. Budget. And 8. The project closure.
Wow, that's quite an extensive list. Now that we know what will lead to a successful ERP system, let's turn our attention to the contrary. What are some of the factors that may contribute to failure of ERP systems?
Some of the factors that may cause failure to the ERP system include the selection problem, choosing a system that will work for you, technical issues, data quantity issue, business policy changes, and mind shift issues.
Thank you very much for such clarity. But how can these steps be mitigated?
These steps can be alleviated like almost any enterprise-wise undertaking. Implementing software requires a lot of planning, effort, and monitoring to ensure success and minimize problems. Being positive and working as a team will be very important, leaving no one behind.
We know that ERP is on the rise. So tell us about some businesses that have implemented ERP and have reported success and benefits.
Mrs. Davidson, some businesses are Netflix. There are over 130 new countries using Netflix. It is the most popular internet TV streaming services in the world. Netflix analyzes millions of bits of data, showing movies for all age groups that users would like to watch. Facebook. Facebook provides an incredible marketing opportunity for companies. This is because the social network can predict likely preference pattern based on millions of pieces of demographic information and user activity. Oracle, as the second largest software company in the world, Oracle is without a doubt one of the world's most successful brands. The company has dominated the enterprise software, cloud, and hardware industry.
This has been a very informative session at Mountainside.
What the team is e-resource is just like family for us. They are working for our company and treating our company as their company. So they benefit our company as not only with the e-resource software, but only with their personal touch as well. So we benefited a lot with e-resource team.
Ms. Davidson, that video actually showed a company outlining its benefits of using ERP.
This has been a very informative session, and Mountainside College is ready. As an institution, we want to know how CERTA Incorporated will be able to support our school.
Mrs. Davidson, we would be more than delighted to be of assistance to your institution. Our role at CERTA is to initially and ongoing adapt methods and tools to the school on ERP projects, coaching at different stages of the project, implementation, project quality checkup, guidance and follow-up with problems and issues, interpretation and defense of contract issues, other high-level activities, and project oversight.
It was indeed a pleasure having you share with me today. I have learned so much, and I am happy and excited to move forward with the ERP system.
Thank you for having us. We have prepared a manual that can pursue and discuss with your staff. We look forward from hearing from you. I'll just show you a short video of what our meeting was all about.
IconWave is a product-based firm in Hyderabad, India. We have an extensive couple of products related to networking and telecom. IconVidya. Tired of heavy paperwork, looking for simple, powerful and affordable school management software? Presenting you the exclusive advanced educational ERP software. Our key features are academic and admission management, assignment module and grade management, fee and transport management, manage multiple institutions, hostel and library management, payroll management and reports, mobile app and bus tracking GPS app, biometric student and teacher attendance, alert.
Thank you very much, CERTA Incorporated. I am more than impressed with your presentation today. We look forward to doing business with you shortly.